من الان نزدیک به 10 سال دارم ماینکرفت بازی میکنم و به این مرحله رسیدم که از خودم میپرسم تا کی قراره این کارو ادامه بدم. شاید 5 سال دیگه، 10 سال دیگه، 50 سال دیگه. نه، من قراره تا ابد ماینکرفت بازی کنم، یعنی تا موقعی که عمر داشته باشم قراره این بازی رو بازی کنم. ولی یه مشکلی هست. آیا ماینکرفت اصلا قراره تا موقع وجود داشته باشه یا نه؟ ویدیویی که امروز قراره ببینیم در مورد همین موضوعه که آیا ماینکرفت از 100 سال دیگه هستش یا نه.
In 1924, cars looked like this, and YouTube sounded like this. In 2009, Notch started work on Minecraft, unknowingly developing what would eventually net him $2.5 billion. And YouTube sounded like this. In 2014, at the end of that deal, Microsoft made a statement about why it valued Minecraft at such a high price. Its reason was that it thought Minecraft had the potential to be around for another 100 years. What's crazy is that the game at that point was only 5 years old. But to be fair, what Microsoft says is mostly going to be corporate talk. If I just spent $2.5 billion on a game, I would definitely be coping about how long it'll stay popular. But could they actually be right? I've been working on some pretty crazy ideas that you don't want to miss out on. And if you like this kind of stuff, or just want to support me, you should subscribe. It's Minecraft's 95th birthday, and Microsoft has a problem. Under current copyright law, a work can be copyrighted for 95 years or 70 years after the creator's death, whichever comes first. I searched through the US copyright records and found the original registration for Minecraft that was submitted back in 2011. And assuming that Notch remains alive for the next 5 years, Minecraft will enter public domain on March 24th, 2106. Copyright protects someone's work from being shared and used, giving Mojang and Microsoft the exclusive right to sell and work on Minecraft. If the game enters public domain, free versions of Minecraft would be accessible by anyone with an internet connection. The first ever video game copyright was issued in 1978, registered for the arcade game Space Wars, which ironically is almost identical to the name of the first ever video game Space War from 1962. This means that we're still nearly 50 years away from seeing the first video game enter the public domain. Microsoft, not wanting Minecraft to be released to the public domain, decides to put its foot down before it loses its copyright. It takes down all of Minecraft's code and locks it away for potential future use. In another timeline, public domain doesn't mean the end of Minecraft. Although monetization becomes a lot harder, Mojang continues to develop the game. There actually exists a good amount of open source games right now. Notable ones include Friday Night Funkin', OpenTTD, and Minetest, an open source voxel engine that acts very similar to Minecraft. Minetest could be the closest example we have today of what a public domain Minecraft would be like. And of course, with Microsoft being Microsoft, and the copyright system being as corrupt as it is, there's a good chance that loopholes will be found, like creating new copyrights for mobs and features. So it's possible Minecraft can avoid entering the public domain altogether. But speaking of new features, what would the game actually look like after that much time has passed? One thing that's for sure is that you don't have to wait 100 years for Minecraft to feel fun again.
بذار بهتون توضیح بدم همه این حرفا که زدن یعنی چی. فرض کنید من یه باغبانم و این میوه به اسم نارنج میفروشم. تو کل دنیا فقط من حق دارم این میوه رو بکارم، بفروشم و هر کاری که بخوام روی نارنج انجام بدم. من اینو ثبت اختراع میکنم، ثبت کپی رایت میکنم و میگم آقا تا 100 سال حق نداره کسی از این استفاده کنه. قانون کپی رایت تا 100 سال میتونه به نام من باشه. 100 سال بعد که این از کپی رایت خارج شد، کل دونه های من و همه روش های داشت و برداشت من در اختیار عموم قرار میگیره. الان همه میتونن تو خونه خودشون نارنج پرورش بدن، همه میتونن نارنج بفروشن، همه حق دارن از این نارنج استفاده کنن چون کپی رایت تموم شده مدتش. ببین 100 سال بعد من زنده نیستم، ولی خب اگه شرکتی داشته باشم که همه دارن از این نارنج من نون میخورن، میان چیکار میکنن؟ میان همه درختای نارنجو میسوزونن، همه میوهاشو خراب میکنن، همه دوناشو محفوظ میکنن، یه جا جمع میکنن، میذارن تو انبار، به مردم میگن که آقا ما نارنج نداریم. یعنی اصلا چیزی به نام دونه نارنج ندارم که بدم به دست شما که شما بتونین اینو بکارین. دقیقاً همون کاری که مایکروسافت احتمالاً بکنه با ماینکرفت 100 سال دیگه. که بعد چی بشه که در آینده اگه سیستم کپی رایت عوض شد، بتونه اون دونه ها رو بیاره بیرون، دوباره نارنج پرورش بده و دوباره نارنج بفروشه. این یکی از تایملاینایی که ممکن اتفاق بیفته اگه مایکروسافت تا 100 سال دیگه باشه، اصلا موجود باشه که بتونه از این سیستم مثلا استفاده کنه. ولی به جز اون باز روش‌های دیگه هستش که احتمال داره ماینکرفت تا موقع نابود بشه. بریم برگشتو ببینیم.
I've graphed the number of items, mobs, blocks, and biomes that have been added to Minecraft each year since its release. Despite all the complaints against Mojang, we're seeing a pretty consistent amount of content being added each year. There was a pretty big spike of content between 2017 and 2021 with the Ocean Update, Nether Update, and Caves and Cliffs, which coincides with Minecraft's boost in popularity during that period. However, 2022 saw the least amount of blocks added in all of Minecraft's history. Looking at this data, we get an average of about 51 new blocks, 19 items, 6 mobs, and 4 biomes added per year. In 100 years, that means the game will have 5,000 new blocks. We'd also see 600 new mobs and 400 biomes, which sounds
میدونی یعنی چی این عددا؟ 400 تا بایم مختلف، 5000 تا ماب گفت. اصلا خیلی عدد وحشتناکیه. تو فکر کن چه کانتنت ها، چه ویدیو ها و چه کار عجیب غریبی که نمیشه انجام داد. البته واسه 100 سال بعد احتمالاً تا موقع ما نیستیم. احتمال 99%.
With new content, not only do new updates become stale to the point of boredom, but development on the game becomes increasingly difficult. Running out of ideas, and with the game becoming increasingly less straightforward, Microsoft decides to shut down Mojang Studios, ending Minecraft for good. In all honesty, I don't think we'd see as many new blocks or items should Minecraft exist for 100 years. With that said, Minecraft could still look pretty different. I'd imagine that as updates go on, we'd see the introduction of new interesting systems, similar to redstone or enchanting. There's this Reddit post I found from 9 years ago, asking players what they thought Minecraft would look like in the distant future. As a reminder, in 2015, Minecraft had just added slime blocks, guardians, and just introduced fences and doors for wood types other than oak. The post writes, with new powerful computing, will vanilla Minecraft offer photorealistic shaders? Will there never be server lag again? Will create new world say create new universe? Will the game still be blocky? One user replies, we will be creating simulations within simulations, populated with people like us, AI at the low level. I know for sure that I will be one of these people, because I dream of it. Sharing our dreams and memories with each other, possibly living in a swarm-type entity, conglomeration of human minds, living in virtual reality. That's pretty intense and a little weird. What's funny though is that some of this stuff is being talked about today. We're seeing mods that allow AI-controlled players to play Minecraft, and the conversation around technologies like Neuralink is ramping up. There's another user that writes, nobody will want to play it because your life will Minecraft come real. Sorry, I think you made a mistake in your sentence. What? Okay, so maybe this post wasn't the most insightful, but maybe this guy's onto something. Maybe our life really will Minecraft come real. It's impossible to say what gaming will be like in 100 years. The only thing that can be certain is that it won't be the same. Will it be AI that changes everything? Or maybe Neuralink? Whatever it is, we have to consider that maybe Minecraft won't exist because of something Mojang does, but just the fact that Minecraft will suck compared to what's out there. Creating infinite worlds may seem enticing now, but it's easily possible in the future that the very concept of Minecraft will be replaced by something way more powerful and capable. With the speed of AI, I wouldn't be surprised that the creation of new games itself could be done by anyone with a computer in an instant. In this timeline, exactly this happens. The ultimate game comes out, one that plugs right into your brain. There's no need for a development team, since everything you want the game to be is instantly generated. Why would you play Minecraft when you can create a new Minecraft where you can do anything? In other words, your life will Minecraft come real. Or maybe not. I mean, Minecraft has sold more copies than any other game out there today, and it's continuing to be popular despite having no major changes to its core mechanics or structure. Could Minecraft have some innate appeal that other games can't tap into? I'd argue that if any game has the capability to last 100 years, Minecraft is high on the list of candidates. The quote I shared from Microsoft at the start of the video isn't the last time the company has brought up their plans for the future. In fact, during Minecraft's 15-year celebration, the Minecraft YouTube channel posted a couple developer commentary videos about the state of Minecraft.
I think it was Dinnerbone who said, you know, we want Minecraft to be here for 100 years. It's going to be the first 100-year franchise.
Just aging like a fine wine.
In one, gameplay developer King B-Dogs reiterates the same idea, but his perspective is a little different from Microsoft's. It's pretty clear that ever since joining the team, he's had some radical and driven ideas about the game. For one, he's largely credited for the Warden and the Deep Dark. an addition that stands out as a new direction for the development of the game.
There are going to be new people who continue to come in and essentially adopt this game, adopt this experience, and I want to make sure.
خود عبارت نگیم واسه 5 ثانیه کریتورای احمد. و این توضیح میده که چرا انقدر آپدیت‌های ضعیفی دارن میدن. آپدیتش بد نیست، من راضیم، ولی یه کاری که مثلا یه مادساز تنها با هیچ بودجه میتونه انجام بده رو اینا مثلا تو چند سال انجام میدن. مثلا اون مادساز میتونه توی یه هفته مادی بسازه که اندازه 3 تا آپدیت ماینکرفت قدرت داشته باشه و خیلی خفن‌تر باشه. اینا عمدن این کارو نمیکنن که بتونن هر سال آپدیت‌های آروم آروم بدن، خیلی آروم آروم آپدیت بدن و پس هر سال بتونن آپدیت بدن. چون اگه این کارو بکنه یه 100 ساله نمیتونه بکنه، میتونه توی 10 سال کل آپدیت ها رو بده و بگه که من هیچ ایده ندارم دیگه باید چیکار کنم. میشه یه ماینکرفت میشه یه مود پک مثلا با 1000 تا ماد و خب هر بارم سنگین‌تر میشه. یعنی حتی اگه ماینکرفت الانم بدون آپدیت ها رو بده، بعید میدونم کامپیوتری باشه تو دنیا که بتونه همه اینا رو هندل بکنه. یعنی ماینکرفت خیلی بازی سنگینیه و شاید در آینده با کامپیوترهای جدید، سیستم‌های جدید، سیستم‌های عامل جدید، کلا مثلا با کدهای برنامه‌نویسی جدید، ماینکرفت بشه یه بازی خیلی سبک که بشه راحت بازیش کرد. الان جواب خیلی سخت میکنه کارو.
Sure that we treat it well, and that we have sort of this passing the torch moment.
This idea that everyone today currently working on Minecraft someday will not, and a whole new team will replace them is pretty striking, but it's not wrong. The only thing that will determine if Minecraft exists in 100 years is if there exists at least one person interested in the game. Whether that be a distant developer working on official updates, or a fan playing single player from an ancient build of the game, it probably won't be the most capable, or the most popular game given a few decades, but that doesn't matter. So is this the timeline we live in? Well, I like to think so at least. And if you're watching this from the future, let me know which timeline you're living in the comment.
ماینکرفت بازی خیلی خوبیه، ارزش پیدا دادن داره. من خودم اگه بچه دار بشم یه زمانی قطعا بهش معرفی میکنم این بازی، چون این بازی زندگی منو واسه همیشه تغییر داد و احتمالاً قرار باشه تا آخر عمرم بازیش کنم، حتی اگه فقط یه نفر تو دنیا اونو بازی کنه چون من هستم. شاید ازش ویدیو نذارم بعد 10 سال دیگه، شاید اصلا یوتیوب رو نخوام ادامه بدم، ولی این بازی رو بازی میکنم و امیدوارم این اتفاق بیفته و ما توی تایملاین آخر داریم زندگی بکنیم. یعنی قرار باشه زندگی چی دارم میگم.